Welcome back. The Vigilance Department has registered a case against Housing Board Minister and Chairman Neelkanth Halankar in the alleged Housing Board land scam. He is charged with misusing his position and corruption. Neelkanth has welcomed the inquiry.
The Vigilance Department has registered a complaint against Neelkanth Halankar in the alleged Housing Board land scam case. Earlier, Kashinath Shetty and other activists had approached the JMFC court alleging that the Vigilance Department did not register the complaint. Neelkanth is alleged of converting a Housing Board land acquired to set up an educational institute. The case has been registered against the Minister for Housing, Chairman of Goa Housing Board and others. Section 409 of IPC and Section 13 of Prevention of Corruption Act are imposed on the suspects. Neelkanth Halankar has, however, welcomed the decision by the Vigilance Department. He said that allegations against him will now get cleared.
त्यांचे डिसिजन ते हांवें पयलींच अभिनंदन केलां की ते कोर्टान योग्य केलें म्हणून आनी कोर्ट जो आहा ज्युडिशियरी आहा हो योग्य न्याय दिणारी संस्था आहा आनी म्हाका दिसता आमची जी कागदपत्र तेंचे सबमीट केल्या उपरांत आमकां आयकून येतलो पण योग्य तो न्याय गावतलो आनी म्हाका दिसता तितून हांव इनोसंट प्रूव जातलो. ही एक संस्था दाराची आहा तितून हांव एक मेंबर आहा आनी फक्त हळदणकर म्हणून आहा ती संस्था म्हाज्या फॅमिलीची न्हू तरी सुद्दां हांव ज्युडिशियरी अभिनंदन करता आनी तातूंत बेगीन तेजो म्हाका हें आमचो रिजल्ट गावचो लोकांक जेणे करून हांव जाता तितलो बेगीन नितळ म्हणून साबीत जातलो म्हणून.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, Shyam Sundar Fatte with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Former legislators have expressed disappointment with poor treatment by the government departments. Some are worried about the growing corruption and other state issues. The former legislators have expressed this frustration at the legislature's day function on Tuesday. They have also demanded a hike in pension.
Goa Legislators Forum organizes a Legislatures Day every year at Porvorim. Speaker Pratap Singh Rane, Deputy Speaker Movin Gudino, Transport Minister Sudin Dorikar, members of Legislative Forum Babuso Gaonkar, Shambhu Bao Bandekar and others were present at the function. Legislatures condemned visit of Francisco Sardinia to Portuguese ship Sagres. They also had a lot to speak out on the corruption in administration.
आणि आम्ही तांचे पावटे घेऊन त्या बोटीचे स्वागत करपा वचपा लागले हाजे बद्दल निषेध जावपाक जाय हाजे बद्दल गोंय पेटून उठपा जाय ते उठले ना आमचे खासदारी गेले हे जावपाक जायना.
I went to use that card. They told me that card is useless. There is no facility for ex-MLA.
जो आमकां पेन्शन 13 डावन येता तो अनलकी नंबर तो चेंज जावचो अशें म्हणून इनडायरेक्टली हिंट मारून तेणें दिल्लें पूण तें पेन्शन आमी मागलेलें आहा वाडोवपाक तेच बरोबर आमी एडवांसीस टू एक्स MLAs.
शाणे मनीस आहात प्रामाणीक मनीस आहात तांची कमिटी घोडात कसलेंय टेंडर काडून तांच्यांनी चवकशी करूंक जाय. हे करप्शन काबार करपाक थोडे तेंपा भितर काबार तुमचे हातीन पयशे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांचे पयशे इंजिनियरांचे हातीन पयशे मंत्र्याचे हातीन पयशे हे कितें चल्लें.
Deputy Speaker spoke on the illegal mining in the state, but some former legislators countered him saying he should advise the present legislators. Later, the Transport Minister assured them that the government will consider their issues seriously. A reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
South Goa MP Shantaram Naik says that SEZs can be denotified even after Supreme Court's order to maintain status quo on the matter. He has also informed that he will meet Commerce Minister Anand Sharma, stressing denotification of SEZs.
डिनोटिफाय करप हो एक प्रश्न स्वतंत्र प्रश्न आसा आनी अजून बरें म्हणजे ठाम मत आसा की डिनोटिफाय करपाक कसलें बंधन ना आनी करूं येता. हांव परतय
सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज मेंटेन स्टेटस को सांगला.
इवन इफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट हैज मेंटेन स्टेटस कोर्स म्हजें मत अशें की तें डिनोटिफिकेशनाचे आडे ना.
He will meet Commerce Minister Anand Sharma soon. He said that he will press for denotification of all 7 SEZs in Goa. On Monday, Supreme Court issued notices to Central and Goa government for cancelling land allotment to 7 SEZs in Goa and directed them to maintain status quo.
परत आनंद शर्मा सांगतलो की हांव सदांच सांगतालो म्हणून आनी आतां पळय म्हणून ते थंय गेले आनी तांणी स्टेटस को मेळ्ळो तरी सुद्दां तातूंत कांय फरक पडना हें म्हगेलें परतें मत आसतलें आनी परत ताणें परतूं करचें आतां शेवटी तांचेच आसा.
आनंद शर्माक परत सांगतले डिनोटिफाय.
परतें सांगतलो हांव की डिनोटिफाय तुमी करात की परतें हांणी स्टे घेतला ताका कांय व्हॅल्यू ना कारण जें पोजिशन पयलीं आशिल्लें तेंच पोजिशन आतां आसा.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Devendra Gaukar.
Time now for another short break. Stay tuned.